Hello, Unity. Inri here, and I have a daily word for you. And today that word is healing. And today's affirmation goes, I cooperate with my healing. At any moment, I can claim healing and be restored to the awareness of wholeness. To keep this awareness alive, I further my healing journey by taking conscientious care of my body and my mind. I prioritize meeting my needs by putting my health and healing first. I get enough sleep, make time for my spiritual practices, and eat well. If I'm overextended, I care for myself by learning to say no if I simply don't have the time or energy to give. This is how I co-create with God and cooperate with my healing. My life is my responsibility, but that doesn't mean I am without help when I need it. God within guides me to care for myself and to know the truth of my divine nature in its perfect wholeness. And today's scripture goes, I will heal them and reveal to them abundance of prosperity and security. And that is from Jeremiah 33:6. Thank you.